Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Bose QC45. Here are its features. Quiet Comfort 45 wireless headphones. Iconic quiet, comfort, and sound. The first noise-canceling headphones are back, now with lightweight materials for premium comfort and proprietary acoustic technology for deep, clear audio. They're not just an icon reborn. They're the perfect balance of quiet, comfort, and sound. Noise cancelling, the pair that started it all. Acoustic noise cancelling began with the original Quiet Comfort headphones from Bose. Tiny mics hidden in the ear cups measure, compare, and react to outside noise, then cancel it with the opposite signal. Choose from Quiet Mode for full noise cancelling, or Aware Mode to let your environment in. Aware Mode, more music, and awareness. Aware Mode brings the outside in. Microphones pick up the sounds around you and play them naturally through the headphones for increased awareness of your surroundings. It's your music and your environment at the same time. Battery life, longer listening. QC45 headphones have more listening time than their predecessor, with up to 25 hours from a single charge. They charge via USB-C in up to 3 hours. In a hurry? Just a 15-minute charge offers up to 2.5 hours of playtime. Or plug in the included audio cable and listen for longer in wired mode. Comfort and icon. Refined. Everything that made the original headphones an icon is still here. Just updated. Like a refined design with smooth cushions and ear cup caps crafted from one piece for a clean look. The pair's plush synthetic leather, impact-resistant glass-filled nylon, and custom-cast metal hinges were all chosen for their comfort and durability. Add in minimal clamping force, and you might even forget you still have them on. Feels magical. But it's not magic. It all starts with our acoustic noise-canceling technology, the result of more than 50 years of research. We use tiny microphones hidden in the ear cups to continuously measure, compare, and react to outside noise. That noise is then cancelled with an opposite signal, resulting in fewer distractions, and more of your music. Use the button on the left ear cup to choose from Quiet Mode for full noise cancelling, or Aware Mode to let in some of your surroundings. Comfort in the details. An incredible listening experience demands a level of comfort to match. Quiet Comfort headphones continue to deliver serious value in this regard by focusing on all the little details, like smooth cushions with no pleats, luxuriously plush synthetic leather, and minimal clamping force. Impact resistant. Glass-filled nylon reinforces the headband to protect against falls and maintain its shape. Custom cast metal. Each pivot point is built with a cast metal hinge, so they'll stay strong and durable. Luxuriously plush synthetic. Leather on the ear cup cushions and top of the headband ensures all-day comfort. Your music in high fidelity. Music, podcasts, and videos. This is the content you love. That's why we engineered QC45 headphones with exclusive Bose technologies, like TriPort acoustic architecture and volume-optimized active EQ, to produce everything in high fidelity. Really clear calls. The hidden mic system focuses on your voice while filtering out environmental sounds. Powerful battery life. This pair offers more playtime than their predecessor, up to 24 hours from one charge. Truly wireless. Bluetooth 5.1 provides a strong, reliable connection to your device within 30 feet. Simple setup. Find guided setup, get tips, and personalize your settings in the app. Bose Music app. Guided setup makes it easy to get started and introduces you to everything Quiet Comfort 45 headphones have to offer. Info in an instant. Press and hold the multi-function button to access your phone's voice assistant. Simple Sync. With Bose Simple Sync technology, you can pair your QC45 headphones with select Bose speakers and soundbars for a personalized listening experience. Specifications. Brand. Bose. Model name. Quiet Comfort 45 headphones. Ear placement. Over-ear. Color. Black, white smoke. Connectivity technology. Wireless, Bluetooth 5.1. Compatible app. Bose Music app. Microphones. Microphone array for voice pickup built-in. What's in the box? Quiet Comfort 45 headphones. Carry case. 12, USB-C charging cable. 3.5 mm to 2.5 mm audio cable.